Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete friend list on Amazon. Whether you are removing someone from Amazon household or unfollowing people, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. Let us begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon from down below. Here in the profile interface, you have to select accounts or list. For this case, I am going to select list. In the list screen, you can see friend list. Tap on it. So in order to delete the friend list, you have to tap on three dot. You will see various options popping up at your screen. And at the last, you can see the option of delete list. You have to tap on it. And the Amazon will ask for confirmation to delete this list. You have to tap on yes. And that's it. This is how you can delete the friend list on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.